What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I've been looking at a few trades since Sunday. Today is Tuesday. I'm a bit sorry for not uploading a new video because I had an issue with my mic and now I fixed it. So let's go to the chart. As you can see, I said on my first video the EURUSD gonna retest this area of interest. Now it has done the retest and now it's heading towards the downside. So I'm going to just take this trade right here and I can sell from right here. We go to the 1 hour chart, you can see the clear head and shoulders and it has broken the neckline, so we can enter at the right shoulder. So I'm going to just set an amount and sell. My stop loss is going to be this high and my take profit is going to be here, and we'll see what happens. And we go to the Euro JPY chart. As you can see, my trade idea invalidated right here. It has broken above the daily area of interest and now it's coming back down. So what we can do is wait for the price to come back down to this area right here and maybe expect a retest from this daily area of interest and take a trade to the upside. So like so, our stop loss is below the daily area of interest and our entry is right here, and we can aim for a solid quantity. And so if price does not show clear reversal patterns on 4 hour chart, I won't take this trade. Also, if you go to the daily chart, you can see a clear trend right here. So you can even take this trade from here, a sell order, but we are not at the right position at this time, so I'm not going to take trade. And also we get another trend line. So as you can see, it has done 2 touches in the bottom line and we need like 3 touches. So if you can take a trade from here and you could get amazing risk to reward until the price hits this line. So maybe most of the time price has broken below the daily area of interest. So if price does a reaction from it, you can take the trade. If price does not, it is more probable if you take trade from here or this trend line or this trend line. So that's the idea for Euro JPY. So if you look at USD CHF, so I made a video on Sunday and I explained this trade, and this video had no audio at all, and I missed this one. So the core idea is it's just a break and retest trade. We can see a major area of interest, and so price has broken above the area of interest. As you can see on the daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3 touches to this area of interest, and now it has retested it and the price seems to be climbing up. So I'll keep you guys updated on this one. And EURUSD EURUSD is also doing a retest, but I am not sure on this one. I will discuss out. Might it has some slippage. See. Yeah. EURUSD chart is not that clear. Sometimes these candles move very fast, so I'm just gonna ignore this trade because I'm taking one from EuroUSD. And if we go to EuroAUD, this trade I'm currently in right now, and I'm expecting this to go right to this area right here, because if you look at the daily chart, you can see a trend. So I'm expecting the price to reach this level right here before closing my order. And also we have 200-day moving average coming in. So those are the setups that I'm looking for in the coming week. And also, if you want to know about the news events right after they release, let me show you a website real quick. So this is Forex Factory. This is the place where you should look for news. In an instant, they will give you the news. As you can see, on 5 a.m. we have a Japanese yen news event. So it tells whether the news is related to what currency pair. As you can see, this news is related to JPY, this news is related to Euro, GBP. So also, if you head into the trades, you can see other people's trade idea. Most of them are gold. So I don't trade gold. So just no use for it currently. And if you go to the market section, you will get the chart, EURUSD price. And also if you go right here, you can see the market session. Most of the volume in the markets happen in London, either London or New York session. And if you can catch a trade in this area right here from the London New York session overlap time, it would be very high volatility. And most of the time, the Sydney and Tokyo sessions are good for trend continuation. And if you want to trade, take fast trades, and also in these sessions there will be liquidity grabs. Also, the forex market works by liquidity grab. Market has to grab liquidity before going to the intended direction. So you would have to look into that. So most of the time, sometimes I take my trade in this ratio session, as you can see on EuroUSD. If the trade goes far enough from my stop loss, I would keep the trade. And if the trade is very close to my stop loss, or it is in my entry still, I would close my trade right before the London or New York session. So that's one thing to keep your eye on. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next week with another video. So until then, bye bye. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Until then, bye bye.